Hi, welcome to Travel with Rifki again. Guys, we are in Sri Lanka, Dehiwala Zoo. This is actually not too far away from Colombo. It's about 2 kilometers away from Colombo, a little bit inside in Dehiwala as well. And this was built in back in 1920 by the German animal dealer Mr. Hagenbergs, and it was taken over the government in 1936. Not too long ago, this was actually in Sri Lanka, Dehiwala Zoo, and it is very popular for educational purposes as well as animal breeding. So also, if you want to come with your family, especially with your children and all, this is the most important place that you should come into the Sri Lankan Dehiwala Zoo. Is very important to have a look at, and it's also definitely you have to be with your children as well. So there are so many people coming in. I hope it's not going to be obstacles for you guys. It's a very nice view, and especially we are going to go inside, have a look at the species. There's about 3,000 plus animals, 300 species, and it's a very variety of animals that you can see inside. Guys, we're gonna go inside, see how much is the ticket gonna cost, and everything else for you. Okay, just give a few seconds. Hi, welcome to Travel with Rifki again. We are at the starting point of Dehiwala Zoo. This is the starting point of Dehiwala Zoo, and you can go inside and you can have a look at so many different sort of animals. There are about 3,000 plus animals, 300 plus species inside, and also there are like big cats as well as aquarium starting from this point, and also elephants. The most special thing about Dehiwala Zoo is the elephant dance. You can have it have a look at it in the evening. So especially this is the starting point. They are all numbered. So you have to go one, two, three, four, up to like so many numbers up to like I think 200. There are so many animals inside. So we are going to start from here and go inside and have a look at all inside. All right, guys. So let's go inside. Yeah, we are inside the aquarium of the zoo, and this is the clownfish. You can see the clownfish over here. Restaurant, parku. And this is the parku over here as well. It's a beautiful piece of species. So many children, they come in for educational purposes as well. Such a huge amount of collection. And, okay, this is zebra tilapia and hornet tilapia. You can see all these kind of also tarpon fish. That's the tarpon fish over here. Malawi fish, Aravala fish, There is also another section that we can have a beautiful piece of fish tanks over here. Children are fully packed of children and parents as well. So this zoological garden is more than just the collection of animals. It's also including educational purpose as well. You get to see surfbread, sandfish, giant sea cucumber, Venus sea fan, deep water seas, blueberry sea fan, all these kind of fish species as well as the animals, from different species. Types of squids. These are types of squids. So over here you see the Galparamora, it's called in Sinha. And finally we are here with the Arapaima, yeah. This Thomas Asoka, that's the scientific name. Peter Mustea and filamented barb, blotched filamented barb. This is called the black stubby barb. And the Cummings barb. All names are mentioned inside. And this is the barb Dani. Cherry barb, William color. And finally you got golden rust. You can capture that. Over here you got the museum. Hi, welcome to Rifki, and this is also some ostriches over here. The ostriches are like, there are couple of ostriches over here, and they are like 3 meters in height, and they are the most fastest animal birds in the world, and they're also most largest birds in the world. You can have a look at those beautiful ostriches, black and white in color. Hi, we are in the bird section of Dehiwala Zoo. Right now you can see the African crowned crane. This is a huge bird in front of me. They're staying so alone and so much in freedom. I think, enjoying themselves like, the peacock as well. Over here is a beautiful peacock, totally different, and also a white color as well as neck parakeet. It's a kind of a parrot, as well as there are some parrots over in this cage as well and the other cage. There are some parrots and this is a blue ring neck parakeet. And also you see the Bantam fowl. It's not visible from this point. And then silver pheasant. That's totally silver in color. You got black and white inside as well. See that? And finally you got the single parrot. The parrot is so beautiful, varieties of colors. Malabar pied hornbill, sulfur crested cockatoo, Mollusk. This is the black swan, also called the Cygnus anthrotus. The scientific name is the Australian kind of a species over here. You can see those couple of black swans over there. It's so beautiful. Okay guys, we are in front of an artificial lake over here. This is also just you can come and have a look once you are in the Dehiwala Zoo. You can see there's a waterfall coming right up there, down falling down, and also you can see these people are having a session over here. That's a very beautiful, lovely look to have a look at. And also you see the shops over here, the shops that you can go and buy these windows. They're selling the snacks and stuff. Whenever you're inside, you can also sit down. There are places to sit down if you're with your family. They sit down, have some meals and snacks over here. And also we can have a look at a very special animal right next to me. In my right hand side is the brown bear, and it's just inside. Hi guys, yeah, you can see it's a brown bear bingo is staying inside this cage over here. So this cage is totally built for him. I think he's not at the moment. He is somewhere. There it is. Yeah, he's having a small session. And this is the brown bear. Hi guys, we are in front of the Bengal tiger's cage right here, right now, and you can see the Bengal tiger lying down right there, just himself alone inside this cage, and there are a couple of Bengal tigers inside. And also there is another one down that way. Yeah, there is walking down up there. You can have a look at the Bengal. You can see the meerkats over here. The meerkats are also laying up down, and they are just having about a couple of meerkats inside this cage, couple or more, I guess. So these are the meerkats, as you can see. They are looking at us, staring at us, and they are looking at the camera as well from the other end. Take him as. There, the way he's looking at the camera is so lovely to have. These meerkats, about 4 of them inside this cage. They are very small elephants, not too much in age, and they are just chilling out at this time of the day. And also you can see all the people sitting down here having a look at the elephants, enjoying the elephants. Alright guys, we are in front of the silver leaf monkey. Presbytis is the scientific name, and you can see there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monkeys inside this cage. And there's a board here saying do not feed the animals, and that's very important. And then you can see the ring-tailed lemur. The ring-tailed lemur, Lemur kata is the scientific name. They is so much in relaxed mood, and they are definitely having a nice time over here. So you can have a look at this monkey. Is white in color, yeah, and pink in color, both mixed together. And there's another one totally white, pure white. That's the one living with him together. And yeah, there's the other one. Only these two are living inside this cage. Yeah, he's talking to us, saying something. We are in front of the hippopotamus cage, guys. You can see this is the hippopotamus staying inside the water, just relaxing, feeling himself. There's one, and I don't know, yeah, there's only one I can see. Alright, guys, you can have a look at another hippo. We saw another one that's the baby of that big hippo staying inside the water, and that's like a smaller version of the big one. There it is, the big one is taking the head outside. And this is also breathtaking view of the Dehiwala Zoo. You can see this inside the city. It's a place of nature, and you can enjoy the wildlife together, including the educational purpose. Okay, guys, we are in front of these two animals here. You can see these elephants over here. This is where they have their bath in the evening as well as in the morning, and especially it's a very special place for them. They come and enjoy themselves. They won't find any natural rivers or anything like surrounding this area. So this is where you find the elephants come and have their bath in the morning as well as in the evening. Welcome to my channel. I'm Rifki again. We are in front of this Dehiwala Zoo elephants. There are few elephants and there is a very special one just down there with his horns, and he's really alone himself, and he's like the king of this place. And you see he's right next to the bath place, and they are kept him separately from the other elephants. Hi there, we are at the cattle section right here. You can see there are so many varieties of deers. There are moose and the deers from there as well. The spotted ones are very special because they are mostly you can find in Sri Lanka only, and these ones are like the baby ones over here as well as over there. And over there you can see a beautiful moose standing alone himself, as well as one inside the cage, a couple of them outside, and their babies over here, I guess. It's a huge space they got anyway to live in Dehiwala Zoo. And it's a beautiful place that we have to visit. It's the nature inside the city, as I told you before. Hi guys, we are the closest relative to the humankind is the chimpanzees over here. You can see a couple of them lying inside this cage, and they're actually chilling themselves, one in the tree, one in the ground. It's a beautiful sight for all the children coming here as well as the parents. So you can see everyone is enjoying them, and there's about 3 of them inside this cage. Alright guys, we are having a look at this mini kite, mountain hawk eagle. This is the mountain hawk eagle in the world, the most fastest bird and the most intelligent bird in the world. So close, so beautiful, such a nice piece of nature. Brown and white, and you see there's about about 3 of them inside the cage. Alright guys, now we are here in front of this beautiful piece of sea. Alright guys, this is southern cassowary. This is the scientific name. So beautiful piece of nature again, blue and black in color. It's living himself inside this cage alone, and you see here. Also people coming from both sides to have a look at this cage. Guys, we are in front of the kangaroo cage, and you see 2 of them lying down there, and they are just having a sort of a relaxed mood at the moment, maybe probably after the meals. And there are some also 2 small ones inside this cage. You can see they are totally different color and very popular in Australia. Kangaroos are, just have a look at those 2, yeah, they're so beautiful. Alright guys, we are in front of this Let's-Me cage, and you can see those deers like so beautiful in color, and they have so big horns, and also some of them, they are so nice. And also around this side you got another sort of a huge. Alright guys, we are in front of this beautiful lake, right in middle of the zoo actually. You got beautiful swans and also white in color, and one and also some it's a beautiful place. You can enjoy, relax as well, somewhere right in the middle of the zoo. Alright guys, you can see the rhino just behind me, right behind me. That's a huge rhino, and we'll have a closer look at that rhino. And also it has a huge space. Guys, this rhino is very special kind of species. You can see it's a huge one staying here. and they have enough, they are like their horns are very special. The human trafficking, human people, they have been taking these horns for a long time. Hi guys, we are in front of the reticulated giraffe species right here, just behind me. You see that giraffe? It's so tall, and it's the tallest animal in the world, I guess. And they are living along themselves in this huge cage. Guys, we are in front of some houses over here. Just behind me, there are some beautiful three pieces of houses, and we are going to go into this reptile section. You can see it's written Sulphur and Dehiwala. You're going to see some beautiful, snakes and stuff, as well as I'm going to show you a beautiful couple line here. It's a tiger and a lion together. And it's such a beautiful piece of nature. Guys, this is the entrance for the reptile sessions. We are here in front of the huge crocodile. You can see there's a black huge crocodile right there. It's the Estorine crocodile, and this is the entrance for the reptile session. Also from this side, you see the iguana. You can see the Burmese python over here. He's lying right in the corner, staying right in the corner. It's a Burmese python, and we are going to go inside, and you got so many kind of snakes and varieties. It's so dark. Guys, you see the reticulated python just in between those boulders, and one behind as well. There are about a couple of them inside. Guys, we got the carpet python, diamond python right here, right there. You can see they're like so much bright in color. Alright guys, we got to see white in color reticulated python, so huge. Okay guys, it's the one and only anaconda. You can see it's so huge. The anaconda is black and brown in color. It's living himself alone inside this cage. And another anaconda, not too big as much as the previous one we saw. Yeah, he's also sleeping. I think, yeah, they're not very active at this time. Himself inside the cage again. This is called the beauty wax snake, or Triapis tunisius is the scientific name. Guys, the Indian gavial crocodile, you can see the alligator. It's called the Indian gavial. Aviaries is the scientific name again. Oh, we're gonna see the flapshell turtle, black tortoise, red ear terrapin, and the termisec crypta. All this is for you in one show. See them there in lights living here alone. The red iguana, which is also a beautiful piece of nature again. Hi guys, the flying snake you can see right here is called the flying snake of Sri Lanka. Okay guys, we are in front of the Indian cobra. It's brown and white in color. It's very venomous. Indian Russell viper. This is the red spitting cobra. It's called the red spitting cobra. Guys, alright guys, we're gonna end up this session. We're showing you the most beautiful donkeys here. You see these donkeys, they're so nice and beautiful, as well as some houses next to them. There are so many cages in both sides. A close-up shot of the donkey. You can even touch them, feel them, talk to them, so a beautiful piece of nature. Guys, welcome to Travel with Rifki again. We are going to finally wrap up this session with the Dehiwala Zoo. And finally, I'm going to show you the most beautiful piece of animal there, standing, a zebra, black and white in color. So let me tell you, if you're coming to the Dehiwala Zoo, you have to come in the morning hours, especially, and also the evening hours are much better because it's very hot in, the sun is very hot during the daytime, and as well as it's 25 acres in size. This Dehiwala Zoo is right in front of Dehiwala, in middle of Dehiwala. So guys, please, I make you a small request to do a subscribe as well as like my, channel. Thank you very much for watching.